How to get best Lost Goddess promo codes. Now, in this quick video, I'm gonna show you where you can get one of the resources of a working promo codes on Lost Goddess. So first thing is open up your preferred web browser. But on this video, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. Now we're gonna have to visit a resource or a specific website. Just simply type in Yakbot, and then it is usually located at the very first result. Now click on this option here so that you will be redirected into the Yakbot community, and then click this magnifying glass. And then just simply look for Lost Goddess, hit on enter, and then here you should be able to see four options. All I have to do is to choose on this one right here. That's going to be the very updated promo codes. Now, if you scroll down and then under activate promo codes, you should be able to see these unique codes available right here, and all of them are a general promo code. Just simply copy it and paste it into Lost Goddess. And that is how you find best Lost Goddess promo codes.